Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mini Strongland. So it's a little loud here. Now I finished to eat now. Now I'll time to go home. And look at that. People is really wearing masks. Wearing masks. Yeah. You cannot see really their face, you know. Wearing masks. This is inside in the Kaufland. Yeah. That's why. And here, what is that here? Oh, 11. This is masarap. Masarap to, 11. Masarap. Kaya lang mahal. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Very strong rain. Look at that, very strong rain. How can I go home this? Yeah. Very strong. How can I go home? My umbrella is in the car. Look at that, very strong rain. Oh yeah. What can I must wait. Then I must wait. Here is a pharmacy. Here in Kaufland. St. Ingbert Pharmacy. So I can vlog here. I can make video here because of the rain. Yeah. And there is meat you can put in the bread. Yeah. Pharmacy here. Oops. Look at that. Only antibacterial voice torture, huh? Only that. It's $2.99 now. Going expensive because of the pandemic. Ah, this one. Wow. €6.996. That's good for the vitamin C. $6.99. Look at that. And here is comics, magazine, comics. You can buy here newspaper, Luto. Yeah. Oh, before I always playing the Lotto sweepstakes, but I have no luck. Lucky. I'm not luck. I'm not to win always. I win only €2 or what. Then I stopped to play this. It's not easy to be rich. Yeah. This what is this here? Yeah. This is also the fruits. The fruits here. Yeah. Here is the fruits. For the fruits, but I have enough fruits in the house. Yeah. I have enough. So, you like to see my face? I'm here. I'm here. Look at that. Yes, I'm here. Now without mask. And now I cook because it's a lot of people here. Must really wear your mask. Yeah. Hi. Look at that. This is the style of the beer here. Bix. This is the beer. What is this? No, moment. What is this? I will look. Uh, Germany, Bremen, Germany, Brauerei. Brauerei. Ah, yeah, das ist a beer. Das ist beer. Das ist beer. Made Germany. There's a Bix. The name Bix. Yeah. Bix beer. Oh, this one is also a beer. Moment, I will look. That's the name. Mönchhof. I will look what is this. I will check. I will check. Look. Killer beer. This is killer beer. Yeah, also beer. It's also beer. I don't know the taste this. I drink always Bitburger. I drink Bitburger, but this I don't know the taste. Really. This is also made of, I will look. Cerveza. Yeah. In Spanish, cerveza. This is beer. What is made of what this? I cannot read. What I don't know. Made of what? Made from what? From what? And this is the Universa Blumenardi. It means is soil for the flowers. I bought this like this too. Soil for the flowers. And this is the fertilizer. Compo, yeah. Fertilizer for the flowers. Yeah. And here.
Hi.
You know what is this? This is charcoal. Charcoal for the grill. Yeah, if you grill the fish, meat, that kind of food that you can grill. Different kinds of food you can grill. This is charcoal. Yeah. So I will check the outside. And this one is yeah, for the animals. Yeah, if you like to spend, if you like to help the animals to give food, yeah, you put there. You can buy here inside, and then you can put here to help the animals that have food, you know, that you can donate. You can donate the foods for the animals, cats, rabbit, the dogs. This is in the Tierheim Homburg. Yeah, this foods for the animals. They give this to, they donate this to for the animals home and in Homburg. Yeah, that's and here the schedule. If you like to go there to donate donate the food, yeah. This that's the schedule. Yeah, you can donate here. That's why the people here in Germany, they love very much animals. They have a feet. Yeah. Circus Laula. Wow. With the healthy men's and tier donkey or circus. The circus. Oh my God, it's still strong. The rain. How can I home? It's really strong. Oh, look at that. Via Auskrita. Bio oil. Yeah. Aus Kreta. That is from Greece. Thus, I wanted to visit there this year in Kreta with one of my friend Filipina. Yeah, 14 days there. Aba, in November. This year, November, we visit Kreta. Kreta. Yeah. Yeah. And this one, Turkish no black wars blooding broth. That is Turkey menu. Look at that. It's very delicious but expensive. Only 100 grams, 360. The swings. Abaleka. I like very much to eat that, but I don't like to buy. It's expensive. Expensive really. And here you can photo fix. You can photo yourself. Look at that. Yeah. And then here. Yeah, like that. Put the money there. And then photo yourself. Selfie. You can sit there and yeah. Very expensive. Look at that. €5. Oh, 5 euro. Ane. Also, you can pay with money. The shine. Look at that. This is the price. €1. €1 small. Yeah, portraits €5. Oh, the portrait is big price. One portrait €2. Yes, take that. And yeah, that's the price. So look at that, it's still strong, the rain. I must run. So thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, likers, watchers. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. And don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe. And wish you have a nice day and night. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye. Okay. Where is the nice? So I will. Oh, see ya. We'll make it out here. Bye.